If you've been trading for years and you're still self-sabotaging yourself, then what I'm about to share with you is going to change everything you thought you knew about professional trading. I've spent the last decade working successfully with traders from all walks of life. I understand exactly why a very small percentage of traders succeed and why a vast amount fail. This has nothing to do with intelligence. It is basically a conflict between your conscious desires and your subconscious programming. Back in 2020, I just realized that too many traders were failing, and there had to be something that helped them. That's why I created a comprehensive trading psychology program that works on every aspect of trading psychology. The Trading Mindset program is built for deep, permanent, and radical transformation. To date, it has helped over 1,000 traders stop the cycle of self-sabotage. It's helped them to master their emotional regulation, fix their decision-making, and become consistent and profitable. Let me share why this is widely considered one of the world's leading trading psychology programs. The Trading Mindset program goes deeper than anything else on the market today. The program includes a number of professional hypnosis audios that were designed and created by myself. And this includes working on the belief system, helping to manage fears, mastering within. It helps with patience, discipline, emotional intelligence, mastering trading. It helps with the whole 360 of trading. There are 9 audios in this program. What fascinates me is the feedback that I receive continuously. And of course, it warms my heart. You know, I get emails saying, Louise, I finally had my first profitable month. I finally passed my challenge. I'm at the stage where I'm getting payouts now. And I also receive emails from traders telling me that they're sleeping better, their relationships are improving, they've got healthier habits. Why? Because when you fix your relationship with your subconscious mind, when you work with your subconscious mind to eliminate limiting beliefs, to help you to feel more positive, more in control, more energy, and so much more, your subconscious mind starts to work with you. When your subconscious mind is aligned with all of your goals, the fight ends. The Trading Mindset program is the best investment you are ever going to make in your trading career. How much has your inconsistency cost you in terms of time, stress, and even missed opportunities? All you need to do is to find out more. You can read the reviews, watch your success stories. The link is in the description. I'll see you in the next video.